Hello and welcome to video 8 in the training tutorial series. In this video, it's going to be really quick. I just want to go over some optimization tips and some brief SEO. Now, the first thing I want to bring up, I've already previously discussed. I just wanted to touch on it a little bit, which is the sidebar image. That is crucial that you set yourself apart from the rest of the fan pages out there. You'll notice a lot of them, they'll stick with like a 150 by 150 image. Maybe even smaller. Just try and pop the logo in there. It's normally all fuzzy. You notice that this graphic here is really high quality in the visibility. It's not all, excuse me, dulled down and blurry. So those are going to be things that you're going to want to take into consideration, as well as I've maximized this space so that it really stands out and people are more likely to remember it and most likely bookmark it. So that's the first thing I wanted to talk about. I wanted to show you once again how to set the custom FBML page that hopefully you've created, even though this is blank, as the default landing tab. Let's go over here to Edit Page, and we're going to go to Manage Permissions. Right here you see Default Landing tab. We can change that to anything we want. So let's go ahead and put that on Welcome and Save Changes. Don't try and test this when you're logged in as admin, because you won't be able to see it. But just know that everybody who is not a fan or has not liked your page, the first page that they will see when they come to your page, it'll be rerouted to this welcome page, which is where you should have this custom template at this point. Okay, so besides those two variables, I would suggest that in the previous videos we did show you how to do editing of this template. What you need to remember is that most of it is HTML. Okay, let me pull it up here again. So what that means is that all of it is going to work with alt tags for the images. You could do alt tags on there. You could do description tags. You could do a ton of metadata on each one of these images. So that way you're optimizing your page from a SEO standpoint, and it's going to have a higher or better effect on its ranking within the search engine result pages, because it is piggybacking off of Facebook, which is highly spidered and highly indexed through Google and other major search engines. So by optimizing this template with keyword placement in the content, with metadata, with the alt tags, maybe even description tags, title tags, things like that, you've got now H1, H2, and H3 tags that can all be keyword optimized, as well as you've got footer links that you can put Ahrefs footer links in here, and then like I said, the content area as well. So between all those basic SEO factors, the name that you've chosen for your fan page and the other elements, by doing wall posts that are keyword rich with the keywords that you're trying to rank for, your business name, things like that, all these elements are going to help this fan page rank higher up in the search engine result pages for the keywords that you want. More traffic that hits this, just like any other website or fan page, the better it's going to get spidered, the more relevancy it's going to have put on it, because it is a high traffic page. And so just all these factors are really going to help your page boost up. And again, you want people landing on your fan page, so it's another point of entry to your business name, and your .com or your website, because that can all be found right here in the information that I showed you how to edit earlier. So those are just some basic tips, tricks, and optimization for these fan pages. But again, treat it like it is a website. Optimize it like it is a website, because it will rank like one if you allow it to. So that finishes up this video. Stay tuned, because in the next video we're going to cover linking some social media accounts together. Okay, so we'll see you in the next one.